Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this very tasty Idli Manchurian from leftover idlis. So let's get started. First, I am going to take some oil in a pan that I'll use to shallow fry my idlis. So I've cut these idlis in a cube shape and I'm carefully placing them in the pan, and the aim is to get a golden brown color on both sides. So I'm gonna flip and cook till I get the desired color. So as you can see, it's nice and golden brown. So I'm just gonna toss all of the idlis together and keep it aside in a bowl while we get started with the rest of the sauce. So in the same pan I'm adding some more oil and I'm adding 2 chopped green chilies, some ginger, about 4 cloves of garlic, and I'm gonna let this saute for about 1 minute. So once we get a nice color on this ginger, garlic and chili mixture, I'm gonna add 2 chopped onions. These are just roughly chopped large cubes. And I'm gonna let this also saute for about 1 or 2 minutes till the onions get a bit translucent. Once that is done, I'm adding about half a cup of corn and I'm gonna mix this all together. And I'm adding 1 chopped green pepper. Then I'm adding some salt to taste and I'm mixing it all together, and I'm gonna let these veggies cook for a while, about 4 to 5 minutes. And then I'm adding some pepper. One final time I'm giving it a mix. And now for our main ingredient, being dark soy sauce, I'm adding about 1 tablespoon. Then I'm adding some green chili sauce. So it totally depends on you how much spice you want. I love spicy food, so I'm adding a lot of it. And I'm also adding Szechuan chutney, about 2 teaspoons of that. You can go ahead and reduce the spice quantity if you want. So now I'm adding a splash of water to give it a nice saucy consistency, not a lot of water. And once this comes to a boil, I'm gonna add those fried idlis and toss everything together and make sure that the idlis are well coated with the vegetables and the sauces. I'm gonna garnish them with some spring onions, and there you have it, a very tasty, very easy recipe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye everyone.